guys, before we go any further with the video, I want to welcome all our new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope you enjoy the content that we have planned for you. And I want to thank King and Shay for the shout out. We appreciate it a lot. It has done well. We have doubled our numbers and we want to thank you. We appreciate it. Now back to the video. Enjoy. Guys, that's a lot of action. The town is buzzing. I'm going to try to find somebody who wouldn't mind talking to the camera, and they probably have a better idea of what the whole celebration is about. Yeah, do you want to tell me what the festival is about?
Yeah, sure.
The festival about?
Oh, help me mal.
It's about?
Alkohol. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Das ist seine Kapuze.
Nein, das wäre
richtig.
richtiger Shit.
Ah, der ist vorne, Alter.
Nee.
Ja, du bist selber schuld. Das habe ich nicht verstanden.
Oh, we got it.
Okay, we got it. We got it. We got
Yeah. So what's Fasnacht?
it. What's fast now?
One moment. Ow.
Yeah, I just want you to explain to me a little bit about the festival and all the costumes. Why are you doing it?
Alright, so winter is gone. The summer is coming.
Yes.
And oh hey, we love all about guys. Lake Constance, the Lake of Sea.
Yeah.
The city of lakes. So we love all the people.
So the festival is all about forgetting the winter to move on to summer. And we wear strange costumes to das heißt, ich schreck noch mal. To scare the winter away, so that summer is coming.
And summer is bad.
Summer is, as you can see, the sky is blue, the sun is shining,
Yes, of course.
and everything is nice.
Winter is gone.
Winter is gone, yes.
Sun has come.
Everybody drinks a lot and
Alright.
smokes a lot sometimes. Yeah, that's what it's about.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. I love this day so much. So there you have it. There you have it. That's what Carnival is about. Carnival in Germany. That is what it is about. The tongue twister. It just brings me back to the carnivals in the Caribbean. Costumes are very different. Well, which is understandable because we're in different parts of the world. But it's fantastic. The colors, the vibration. I am enjoying it. Guys, I just realized I forgot to show you guys my costume. So, here goes. I know I'm a butterfly or something in the back, and the rest of it I'm not really sure. In the travel life of Daniel, and Danelle.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Oh, yeah.
That's not normal here, so it's very nice to see that. I love it. I love it. Konstanz Carnival 2020 is the bomb. You need to be here. If ever you travel to Europe, make sure you travel in this time where you can come and visit this carnival. It's the bomb. I love it. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Bye.